Types of angles. In this video we will study about the different types of angles we use in mathematics. Based on measurement, rotation, pair of angles, and transversal. Based on measurement, there are 6 types, namely, acute angles, obtuse angles, right angles, straight angles, reflex angles, and full rotation. Acute angles. An acute angle is one that is less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angles. An obtuse angle is greater than 90 and less than 180 degrees. Right angles. A right angle is always equal to 90 degrees. Straight angles. A straight angle is 180 degrees when measured. Reflex angles. Any angle that has a measure which is greater than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. Full rotation. An angle equal to 360 degrees. Based on rotation, there are 2 types. One is positive angle and other is negative angle. The positive angles are those angles which are measured in a counterclockwise direction from the base. Negative angle. The negative angles are those angles which are measured in a clockwise direction from the base. Pair of angles. There are 5 types based on a pair of angles. They are complementary angles, supplementary angles, linear pair, adjacent angles, vertically opposite angles. Complementary angles. If the sum of 2 angles is equal to 90 degrees, then they are called complementary angles. In the given 2 figures you can find that the sum of the angles in both will be equal to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles. If the sum of 2 angles is equal to 180 degrees, then they are called supplementary angles. In the given 2 figures we can find that the sum of the angles in both will be equal to 180 degrees. Linear pair angles. When the non-common arms of adjacent angles are just opposite to each other, or they extend in the opposite direction, then they are called linear pairs. By linear it is clear that they form a straight line. Adjacent angles. When 2 angles are connected with one common arm and have one common vertex, and also the non-common arms are either side of the common arm, then they are called adjacent angles. Vertically opposite angles. When 2 lines intersect each other at a single point, then the angle formed on either side of the common vertex is called vertically opposite angles. Angles formed by transversal. A line that cuts or intersects 2 or more lines at different points is called a transversal. It is therefore, there are angles formed at the point of intersection. They are interior angles, exterior angles, pairs of alternate interior angles, pairs of alternate exterior angles, pairs of corresponding angles, pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Looking at the figure on the left side of the screen, we can see that the transversal line L cuts the 2 lines L1 and L2 at 2 different points. The angles 3, 4, 5, 6 are interior angles. The angles 1, 2, 7, 8 are exterior angles. The pairs angle 3 and angle 5, angle 4, and angle 6 are pair of alternate interior angles. The pairs angle 1 and angle 7, angle 2, and angle 8 are pair of alternate exterior angles. Pair of corresponding angles are angles 1 and 5, angles 2 and 6, angles 4 and 8, angle 3 and 7. Pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are angles 4 and 5, angles 3 and 6. We hope that we are able to cover all the different types of angles we come across while solving mathematics. In case if we have missed any type, you can comment in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe for more maths content.